Okay, well, fired off this converted electric gas kiln last night to cone 10. The kiln is actually only fired off of 2 weed burners. It's not a bad little guy. It's approximately, oh, I don't know, 20 inches or so. Sorry about that turn there. So we're going to see how everything came out and go from there. First thing we'll do is take off this top lid. Slide that under. I guess we'll take off this other lid here. Oh, things are kind of looking halfway nice there. Well, let's go ahead and we'll pick up and we'll take a look at the cones themselves. And the cones are pretty good. It's 8 in the front, 9 in the middle, and 10 in the back. It's a good cone 10 fire. And so these are new decorations, I guess I could say, on these pieces I've done. They're all tumblers made from press molds, a variety of parts. Did a few where I did, let's see here, where I actually glaze the outside, something I don't normally do. But that's one of them there, as you can see. All the glazing there is underglaze except for the clear and of course the white. That one actually looks pretty good. Not too shabby. We can go with that. That's a good one there. Ooh. It's still a little warm in here. So maybe we'll pull one up where it's not glazed on the outside. There's my Bob's a little fat man. In multitude of sizes, and of course you can see the texture has gotten some underglaze work too. That one's pretty good. We like that. Put that down. So I do have one little rocks glass I put in there. That came out pretty good. That's a purple that I used actually to fill in and around the rim there. These are all Amicos. It doesn't really look much purpley anymore, but that's okay. So from the looks of it, everything in here is good. It's doable. It all came out really well. I like the underglaze aspects I'm getting here. The repeated images. Kind of going for a old 3D without the glasses look. So far so good. Don't really see any aspects where I have like bloating occurring on these. So that's always nice. It's one of the issues I've been having with this particular clay body. It is a quote-unquote cone. Oh, there it is. That little spot right there by my thumb. It's a little bit of bloating going on here. Yeah, this clay body's done me well, but there's been some changes, I think, and I'm gonna have to, well, I'm gonna have to change my clay body, because granted it looks like there's only one where it happened, but there's enough to where, you know, when you don't have that many in there, it makes it really interesting. But there we go. That's the pieces coming out of the kiln. So I'll sand the bottoms on these and photograph them and all that fun stuff. But they, so far, not too bad. Some I did, as you can see, just the black spray. This one, of course, got the clear over the top. It's kind of nice. Not bad. All right, well, This is what it looked like after 6 hours of meetings and then opening up my kiln. I'm tired. So go make some stuff out of clay.